Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to plot a graph in Python. So for that, in our existing project, I have to create one Python file, and I will name it as my first graph. Now, for plotting anything in graph, we required Matplotlib library, which is already installed in our PyCharm software. So if you want to know how to install different libraries in PyCharm, there is a separate video is there. I will give you the link in the description or in the I button. Now let's start. So first of all, we have to import that library in our code. So this is the library, matplotlib.pyplot. So we will name it as a plt. So throughout the code we will use this plt, which is used as a nickname for this library. So this plotting is one of the simplest. I'm showing you just the simplest way to plot the value of x and y axis in a graph. So first of all, we have to prepare our data set. So let's give some value in our x-axis, value for our x-axis. So I am giving some random value. So these are all fixed value, and similarly for y we will write some value. So our data set is ready. Now we have to just plot it. So we will use plot.plt.plot, and we will plot the x and y coordinates. Now the code is ready, but it will not show in the graph. So for displaying it in a graph, you have to use this function plt dot show and parenthesis. Now if you run this code right now, run my first graph, see, this is the graph and our value as per we provided. Like for x10, y value is 20, and for x20, y value is 10, and again for x40, for x30, y value is 40, and similarly. So this is the representation. Now you will see there is no label. So for providing the label for respective x-axis and y-axis, we have to provide the label name. So first of all, naming the x-axis. The code is plt dot x label, and what will be our label? Similarly for naming the y-axis, plt dot y label, and similarly y-axis. And finally for our title, which is giving title to my graph, which is plt dot create title my first graph, and this plt.show function is for showing the plot. Function show the plot. Now if we again run this code, now you will see our graph title is my first graph, and x-axis level and y-axis level respectively. Thank you.